when they are going to knock down Charing Cross Hospital and build that. They are closing our schools and they are making the social people homeless. So please, ladies and gentlemen, when you're watching your boat race, which we all enjoy, I've been coming since I was a child, please take into consideration what else Hammersmith and Borough Council are doing to people. So please, ladies and gentlemen, sign up to save our hospitals. In June, we are losing Hammersmith A&E and Central Middlesex. The council says it's all right because Hammersmith can go to Charing Cross, Central Middlesex can go to Ealing. No, ladies and gentlemen, because they're going to close Charing Cross A&E, take the best stroke unit in the country, up to 300 beds, and knock down Charing Cross and close Ealing. So please, ladies and gentlemen, sign up, do something fantastic today and save your hospital and your NHS. Thank you.
So they come back up here.